Yes, hello guys, hello friends, again welcome back to Now Max TV. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can check whether your phone has malware or any other kind of virus. So if you didn't subscribe to this channel No Max TV, please subscribe to No Max TV, like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn on the notification bell button so as you get notified when we upload a new video here at No Max TV. So without wasting time, let's get started. So now I'm going to use one of the Android application to check whether there is any malware in my Android phone. So I'm going to open Play Store. Now this is my Play Store. So I open this up Play Store application on Android phone. After opening Play Store, I'm going to go in search bar, then search the application which is called Asset Security for Android phone. So Asset Security for mobile phone, Asset Security for Android phone. Now it's the antivirus which is called Asset Security. Sorry, Asset Security. Asset Security for, yes, Asset Security. Now I can search Asset Security antivirus. So after clicking Asset Security antivirus, I'm going to wait for it now to open. I'm going to wait it open. So you see now Asset Security now has been opened in my Android phone. So after opening this Asset Security in my Android phone, after getting its result in my Play Store, I'm going to install this application. So to install this application will allow me to start using this application in my Android phone to check those malwares in my Android phone, or to check whether there is any other viruses or any other issue in my Android phone. So you see now I have installed this Asset Security now in my Android phone. Because I have installed it, I'm not going to install this again because I have already installed it. I'm not going to install this again. What I'm going to do is to open this application so as I can start checking whether there is any malware or any other viruses in my Android phone. So you see these are popular security applications, that is 10 millions plus downloads. So you see now those are downloads, so means it is being used above 10 millions people are using this application in their mobile phones, in their computers. So it can also be used everywhere on devices, or even on maybe on your computer or even on your Android phone. So now I'm going to open this application. Let me open this. So you see now I'm opening this Asset Security applications. After opening this Asset Security application, now they are telling me that I am protected. I am protected from any viruses, from any malware that can attack my phone. So now you see this. Let's check this. You see now this message is saying that I am protected. So being protected means that I can be able to trace any malware or any virus or that is going to harm my Android phone or my files or any other things within my Android phone. So now you see it is 30 days trial free to use this Asset Security. You can use the 30 days by using this Asset Security in your Android phone or even your computer. It is all 30 days free trial. So now what you are going to do is this. You are going to start scanning this Android phone to check whether there is any malware in your Android phone. So scan this. So you see now, after clicking scan, it is start already scanning. Asset mobile security now is scanning. You can see now is scanning here. This is the pop-up above. You see it. You see now. This is going to get full when it is finished. So when it is not finished, so it is not going to complete. So you see now this message is showing me that until this there is no threat found. There is no threat found means there is no any virus found in my Android phone. Here you see the number of files, that has been already scanned. So files that have been already scanned are 10. So they are continue to raise up as the way my application of Android is being scanned. So it is raising up. It is 122 files now I already scanned. So you see now here it is still going to the end, and it is showing me here what is going on with this. So now let's wait so as it can get to complete. Scanning to get to complete. Once it completed, now I'll continue getting whether it is full or not. You see now? Yes, you see. Yes, you see now when it is already finished, it shows that scan is finished. So means that when scan is finished, it is going to show you whether there is any virus in your Android phone, and it is going to show you the total number of files that has been already scanned. So I have already scanned 5,216 files. Now what I'm going to do is this: after scanning and getting that my phone is clear and there is no viruses that is affecting it, so I can also navigate these options. So if there is any virus, you are going to see it there, and you are going to see where it is located, in which file it is located. Then start clearing or clear it, or protect your device so as it cannot be affected or anymore with that. So here now when I go back, you are going to see different options here on your this asset security. So there is antivirus. It is free to use this antivirus. Now we have 30 days to try to use this antivirus. So anti-theft now is about now avoiding who is going to store your phone. Means this virus is going to give you the security that is no one can be able to steal your phone, or even your phone is stolen. Also you can get where it is located and other findings options that are going to help you get to know where your phone is. So security report is free now. It's free because you see now it is giving me how about the files I have scanned, the applications I have scanned, and even the database is update I have scanned. So you see how this application has various features, but to get full features for this application, you need to upgrade this application to premium options where you can be paying. Now let me show you. The amount is about 14.99 per year to get this service of for example anti-theft. So anti-theft is 14.99 SD per year. So you need to upgrade this application to get access to full features of this Android application. So this is how you can scan whether there is any viruses or any malware on the phone. If there is a malware, it is going to show you by using state security. So there are various applications that can be used to detect whether there is any viruses or malware on the phone. So we will continue showing you other easy and simple applications that are free and you can use to check or to secure your Android phone so as there is no viruses or any malware that can affect it. So thank you very much for watching this video. Remember to like this video, subscribe this video, and share this video, and turn on the notification bell button so as for future uploads you will be notified for that upload. Thank you for watching.